Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab Side by Side. Today we've got some new Honda Talon parts. Check out our 2-inch rear receiver hitch pull plate. So what we have here is a very common upgrade for Talon owners. Whether you're driving around the neighborhood, pulling trailers, doing yard work, or if you're out trailer riding and need to pull somebody out, or you get stuck yourself and need to be able to pull yourself out, there's not very many good hook points on the rear of these Talons. So we start out with a heavy-duty 1/4-inch laser cut CNC bent steel mounting plate, and this is what contacts the chassis of the machine and bolts to the machine with our longer supplied hardware. From there we have our 3/16-inch heavy-duty steel gusset plate. This gusset plate extends outward and supports the middle of the receiver tube. And on the bottom of that gusset plate, we have our 2 openings for safety chains if you're pulling a trailer around. 2-inch receiver tube, the center component of the hitch, is properly spec'd 238 wall material. A lot of times out there you see thinner wall 3/16 and even 1/8-inch material used for these receiver hitches, which creates a very sloppy fit with the hitch itself. And we use that thicker wall material, which is meant for receiver hitch applications. We have our hitch pin both horizontally and vertically. So if you're running a clevis style receiver like this, you can put it in like that, or you can rotate it and run it like this, and your hitch pin can go in either direction. It's a nice feature if you're pulling on the machine from a weird angle from the side, or if it's upside down or stuck, and you can get a much better pulling angle on a clevis style hitch. The end of our receiver hitch, you don't see this very often on most receiver hitches, but what happens if you don't have this end cap is if you're pulling sideways on the machine, or if you have a heavy load on the hitch, the end of the tube can actually start to deform and create even more slop with the hitch. So this steel cast end cap that we weld onto the end gives a lot more strength to the end of the receiver tube and keeps that tube from deforming. We do all of our engineering, testing, and fabrication in-house, as well as our powder coat. Everything from our laser cutting to our CNC bending, all of the welding, fabrication, and our state-of-the-art powder coat shop. One thing we do with all of our powder coated products for the Honda Talon is we apply a zinc primer base coat to the part before the top color. It gives you much better corrosion resistance and a much more durable powder coat finish. This one's shown here in our Honda Talon Orange. We've got all of your popular Honda Talon colors in stock. So that wraps up our 2-inch receiver hitch for the Honda Talon X and R models, 2 and 4 seat, 2019 to current. This fits every model Honda Talon. It's a great upgrade that can help you get out of a sticky situation if you're stuck in the woods somewhere, or if you need to haul some trailers around on the farm. If you've got any other questions about our Honda Talon product or have suggestions on what else you might want from us, feel free to reach out to our social channel or leave a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching.